All right. Hello, we are under my 2001 Honda CR-V. It's turbocharged, and the reason is because we have an oil leak and we're dripping rainbows everywhere we go. And the weird thing is it looks like it's coming from, well, it looks like it's coming from right here, which is the oil return line for the turbo. Oil cannot really be coming from that part of the sleeve, so I'm not sure what the actual source is. So we're going to pull off that oil return line and take a look and see what's going on here. I've already drained the oil. So there's the top. So no oil's spilling out of here because the turbo's empty right now when it's not running. And then we have the bottom. We have this hose on here that makes it hard to see. And of course, everything is covered in oil, which is not great. And the top, well, I'm just going to take it off and then we'll investigate. And we have the sleeve off so we can see. One end was on a push fitting with this hose clamp. This is the oil pan side. Hose clamp onto a push fitting. And then we had this hose clamp on a push fitting here, and this bolted to the bottom of the turbo. Now, the smoking gun here is that this split has been on here for like 5 years. So we're going to replace all this, and we're not going to do push fittings again. Here of the upgrade we're doing. This is what was on the oil pan, half NPT to this push fitting, and this is what was on the turbo, this push fitting. Now, as you can see, these aren't even the same size, so that probably has a lot to do with why my hose split. It did last nearly 5 years, but no more. We're going with this Evil Energy AN hose setup. So, Evil Energy hose, we're going with the half NPT to 10 AN fitting, then we'll put in 10 AN 90 on it. This goes into the hose, and a straight 10 AN that's going to go on the bottom of the turbo. And this is all fit correctly, so it should last, a very long time. I like to join AN fittings to hoses by putting it in a vise and then just putting the base in the vise and then just turning the fitting. I should be using my aluminum Evil Energy AN wrench for this, but I lent it to somebody. So I'm using this 27mm wrench that I have put hockey tape on so that it does not damage the finish. Now for the NPT fitting that's going to the oil pan, I like to put a little bit of PTFE thread sealant. I have links to all these parts and supplies in the description. Also, I have a coupon code for 10% off everything from Evil Energy on their website. So definitely check out the description. Whoa, that's way too much. And high quality PTFE, it's going to be great. I watched the leaks, but so far, so they're chipping off the back where I did the oil change, but I'll watch that on my own time. But that's how you diagnose and replace and repair an oil leak on your turbo Honda CR-V. Later.